Welcome to True Million Facts. In this video, we'll explore the complete history of DeepSeek AI, including its development, benefits, and drawbacks. Stay tuned as we uncover how this technology has transformed the world and the pros and cons of using it. DeepSeek Artificial Intelligence, DeepSeek AI, is a company specializing in artificial intelligence, AI, research, development, and application. The organization focuses on creating advanced AI technologies, including natural language processing, NLP, machine learning, ML, and deep learning, to solve complex problems across various industries. Below is a comprehensive guide to DeepSeek AI, including its history, mission, and contributions to the field of AI. What is DeepSeek AI? DeepSeek AI is an AI-driven technology company that develops cutting-edge solutions for businesses and individuals. Its primary focus is on leveraging AI to enhance decision-making, automate processes, and improve efficiency across sectors such as healthcare, finance, education, and more. The company is known for its innovative approaches to AI, including the development of large language models, LLMs, AI-powered chatbots, and data analysis tools. History of DeepSeek AI. Founding and early years. Establishment: DeepSeek AI was founded in by a group of AI enthusiasts and experts with a vision to democratize AI technology and make it accessible to a broader audience. Mission: the company and #039's mission is to push the boundaries of AI research and create practical, scalable solutions that address real-world challenges. Initial focus: in its early years, DeepSeek AI focused on foundational AI research, including natural language understanding, computer vision, and predictive analytics. Key milestones. Research and development. DeepSeek AI invested heavily in R&D, winking and laughing smiley, building a team of world-class researchers and engineers. The company developed proprietary algorithms and frameworks to improve the accuracy and efficiency of AI models. Product launches. DeepSeek AI introduced its first AI-powered chatbot, designed to assist businesses with customer service and engagement. The company launched AI-driven data analysis tools for industries like finance and healthcare, enabling faster and more accurate decision-making. Partnerships and collaborations. DeepSeek AI partnered with leading universities, research institutions, and corporations to advance AI technology. Collaborations with industry leaders helped the company integrate its solutions into existing workflows. Expansion. DeepSeek AI expanded its operations globally, establishing offices in key markets to serve a diverse client base. The company also diversified its product portfolio, offering AI solutions for education, e-commerce, and logistics. Innovation in large language models, LLMs. DeepSeek AI developed its own LLMs, competing with other major AI players like OpenAI and Google. These models were designed to understand and generate human-like text, enabling applications in content creation, translation, and more. Ethical AI initiatives. DeepSeek AI prioritized ethical AI practices, ensuring transparency, fairness, and accountability in its algorithms. The company established guidelines for responsible AI use and actively participated in global discussions on AI ethics. Core technologies and innovations. DeepSeek AI is known for its contributions to several key areas of AI. Natural language processing, NLP. Developed advanced NLP models for text analysis, sentiment analysis, and language translation. Created AI chatbots capable of understanding and responding to complex queries. Machine learning and deep learning. Built scalable ML frameworks for predictive analytics and pattern recognition. Applied deep learning techniques to improve image and speech recognition systems. AI-powered automation. Designed tools to automate repetitive tasks, reducing costs and improving efficiency for businesses. Developed AI solutions for process optimization in manufacturing and supply chain management. Data analytics. Offered AI-driven data analysis platforms to help organizations make data-informed decisions. Enabled real-time insights through advanced data visualization and reporting tools. Applications of DeepSeek AI. DeepSeek AI and #039's technologies are applied across various industries. Healthcare. AI-powered diagnostic tools for early disease detection. Predictive analytics for patient outcomes and treatment plans. Finance. Fraud detection systems using machine learning. AI-driven investment analysis and portfolio management. Education. Personalized learning platforms powered by AI. Automated grading and feedback systems for educators. E-commerce. AI chatbots for customer support and engagement. Recommendation engines for personalized shopping experiences. Logistics. Route optimization and demand forecasting using AI. Automated inventory management systems. Future directions. DeepSeek AI continues to innovate and expand its reach. Some of its future goals include developing more advanced AI models with improved accuracy and efficiency, expanding into emerging markets to bring AI solutions to underserved regions, strengthening its commitment to ethical AI and sustainability, collaborating with global organizations to address societal challenges using AI. Conclusion. DeepSeek AI is a leading player in the AI industry, known for its innovative technologies and commitment to solving real-world problems. With a strong foundation in research and development, the company has made significant contributions to the field of AI and continues to shape the future of technology. As AI becomes increasingly integral to our lives, DeepSeek AI is poised to play a pivotal role in driving progress and innovation. Thank you for watching the entire video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content.